Good afternoon, viewers, and welcome to Kompas Afternoon News.
This afternoon, we're diving into a critical issue affecting both sellers and buyers at the Gamalama Market in Ternate City. The unpredictable weather patterns have disrupted harvest, impacted local farmers, and caused price surge for essential goods.
I am Vina Afandi, and joining me is my colleague,
Putri Aswiknya. Together, we'll bring you in a deep look at these issues as well as the latest headline from the world of business, health, and beyond.
Unpredictable rainfall, prolonged heat waves, and sudden temperature drop have all disrupted agricultural production, creating a ripple effect felt by sellers and buyers alike at the Gamalama Market.
That's right, Vina. For sellers, the challenges are multifaceted. Local farmers who traditionally supply fresh produce to market are now reporting harvest delays and significant losses. To understand more about how sellers are adapting to these challenges, we now go live to our correspondent Mulyati reporting from the local market. Mulyati, over to you.
Thank you, Putri. Viewers, I'm here at Gamalama Market in Ternate, where the transitional season has caused disruption in the availability of fresh produce. Prices of essential items like chili and tomatoes have risen due to supply shortages from unpredictable weather. I've spoken with Mrs. Suraida Dahlan, a seller here, to better understand how this season is affecting her business. Ya, Ibu, bisa cerita sedikit biasanya apa yang berubah di pasar saat musim pancaroba seperti sekarang?
Oke, kalau musim pancaroba itu kata orang penjual buah sekarang banyak yang merugikan kayak musim hujan begitu toh, buah terapa jalan begitu. Banyak busuk kayak kemarin, kayak kemarin. Saya pemangga ada satu ini yang saya buang karena ada orang yang belanja karena musim hujan tuh, kalau hujan begitu kan terhadap pembeli.
Selanjutnya, bagaimana musim pancaroba memengaruhi harga barang terutama buah dan sayuran?
Banyak, kalau macam mempengaruhi itu banyak karena kita orang penjual ini kan untuk pembeli itu, pembeli. Tapi kalau hujan kayak sekarang Desember, itu terhadap orang yang belanja. Dalam satu hari itu tompe pemasukan yang biasanya yang kayak musim panas pemasukan contoh kayak saya tuh jual mangga nih. Dalam satu hari kalau musim panas pemasukan ada sampai 2 juta lebih, 1 juta. Tapi musim hujan kemarin 1 juta saja dengan susah karena musim hujan angin ini yang bikin tong banyak yang tabuan bangkrut.
As we heard from Mrs. Suraida, the transitional weather is creating challenges for both traders and consumer here, with rising prices causing difficulties for many. I am Mulyati, back to the studio.
Thank you, Mulyati, for the insightful report. While sellers are grappling with these challenges, buyers are also feeling the heat or perhaps the cold. Rising prices and inconsistent availability are hitting consumers where it hurts most, their wallets. For more on how buyers are coping with these changes, we turn to Titi Nazila, who is also on location at the market. Titi?
Okay, now let's hear from one of the shoppers. I'm here with Mr. Raden. Bapak, saat musim pancaroba seperti ini, barang apa yang menurut Bapak paling sulit ditemukan di pasar ini?
Yang paling sulit masyarakat untuk cari di pasar itu seperti kelapa, terus daun pandan, terus sama kasbi, terus pisang, terus kayu manis dan lain-lain.
Oke, menurut Bapak, Bapak merasa harga barang di pasar ini apakah lebih mahal saat musim pancaroba seperti ini? Apakah harga barang di pasar lebih mahal seperti biasanya atau bagaimana?
Harga barang yang sekarang ada di pasar ini yang di bulan-bulan kemarin, terus dibandingkan dengan bulan-bulan yang sekarang itu lebih mahal daripada bulan-bulan yang kemarin. Begitu. Jadi sekarang barang yang ada di pasar ini, contoh seperti pisang yang bulan kemarin harga dengan 15.000, sekarang sudah naik menjadi 20, 25 itu per sikat.
The transitional weather is clearly affecting both traders and consumer here in Ternate. The community calls for a solution to address these rising costs. Back to you, Putri, in the studio.
That concludes this afternoon edition of Kompas News. We hope our coverage has provided you with a clear understanding of the challenges our markets are facing and how these issues are impacting daily lives.
Be sure to join us again in the evening for a more detailed update on today's events. On behalf of the Kompas TV team, I am Fina Afandi.
And I am Putri Asiknya. Thank you for watching and have a great afternoon. Stay healthy, stay safe, and
See you next time.